Looking for the best video player for Mac to watch your favorite channels, clips, and shows? It can be hard to know which players are compatible, how to download them, and how to use them. We're updating our list of the best macOS video players to the latest version to help you find the best video players to install and use today. Number 1. QuickTime Player. Any list of video players for Mac should include QuickTime Player, the default video app for Apple devices. QuickTime can handle common video formats like MP4, M4V, and MOV. Since it's built in, it integrates seamlessly with other features like editing and screen recording. So if you're looking for a macOS video player that's easy to use and even easier to share, QuickTime may be the right fit. Here's how to get it up and running in the latest macOS. Go to the menu bar, click the spotlight icon, or you can also press Command plus space. Type QuickTime Player, press Return. Alternatively, you can find QuickTime Player in Applications. Since QuickTime is downloaded by default on Apple devices, all you need to do is find it. To play a video, open QuickTime, select File, Open File, click on your video, and choose Open. Number 2. Elmedia Player. Elmedia Player is a polished, modern media player with a ton of features and streaming support. This includes Chromecast, AirPlay, Roku, and DLNA. It supports over 70 media formats without additional plugins. Users enjoy its clean interface and reliability, offering up to 4K support for high-quality video playback. Number 3. CameraBag Pro. CameraBag Pro is a video player and photo viewer used for its filtering and editing features. It offers users hundreds of presets and adjustments for pro-level editing, including curve tools, layering, high-bit depth RAW support, and more. This app lets you do things with videos that others simply won't. The takeaway: many video players, including Elmedia Player and CameraBag Pro, are available on Setapp. Try it free for 7 days to enjoy a more organized Mac experience. Did we miss your favorite video player? Share your picks in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-use tech guides on the latest macOS features, apps, and more.